Viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my linear ocean learning channel on transformation of sentences according to structure, from complex to simple and from complex to compound. Today I will present before you a very short video, and it is on Rule 32. Complex sentences with Y clause as subject or object or complement of the verb. Examples. There are 3 examples in this video. Example 1. I don't know why it disturbed me. Viewers, here I don't know, this one is the principal clause. Why? This is relative adverb of reason. Why, how, when, where, these are adverbs. This can be interrogative adverb if they are used as WH question, a part of an interrogative sentence. But if why, how, when, where join two clauses, they are relative adverb. But so long why clause, why it disturbed me, this is subordinating clause. But if why clause acts as the object of the verb, then it is noun clause. I don't know is the verb and its object is why it disturbed me, so it's noun clause. This is subordinating clause and at the same time a noun clause. If we want to transform it into simple sentence, we have to follow our structure. Viewers, in my structures I have used some abbreviations and I should clarify them, that means elaborate them. Here PCL means principal clause, IPO means in place of, PFOS possessive form of subject, N means noun, NPOSCL, that means next part of subordinating clause, CL clause. SCL means subordinating clause. ILO means in lieu of, that means instead of. Now let's get to the structure. If you want to put to the complex sentence with Y clause as subject or object or complement of the verb, here Y clause is the object of the verb don't know. Know is the main verb, don't is the auxiliary verb. PCL, here I don't know is the principal clause. Then the reason of IPO why, that means in place of why we have to write the reason of, because it's a relative adverb of reason, plus possessive form of the subject. Here subject is it and its possessive form is its, plus gerund or noun. Here verb is disturbed and its gerundial form is disturbing, plus NPOSCL, next part of subordinating clause. And next part of subordinating clause, why it disturbed me, is me. Now if we follow the structure, the answer we get is I don't know the reason of its disturbing me. Now if we want to transform the complex sentence with Y clause as subject or object or complement of the verb, here Y clause is functioning as the object of the verb. Compound sentence, SCL means subordinating clause. Here subordinating clause is why it disturbed me. other than why, that means except why, we have to write the subordinating clause here. It disturbed me, plus but, coordinating conjunction but, plus PCL here is I don't know, plus the reason of ILO, that means in lieu of why. Instead of why, we have to write the reason of it as the object of the verb of PCL. PCL here is I don't know, and its object is it, representing SCL. Why it disturbed me, in place of why it disturbed me, we have to write it. So the answer is, that means compound sentence is, it disturbed me, but I don't know the reason of it. Viewers, let one thing be clear to you. In books, complex sentences with why clause as a subject or object or complement of the verb are not in practice to transform into compound sentence, even though I have made it with the structure. It disturbed me, but I don't know the reason of it. Now, example 2. Do you know why he has come here? Again, why he has come here is functioning as the object of the verb know. The simple one will be, do you know the reason of his coming here? Compound sentence. He has come here, and do you know the reason of it? Example number 3. Why she committed suicide is still a mystery. Here, simple will be the reason of her committing suicide, or we can write suicide. Here noun is suicide. The reason of her suicide, or we can also write the reason of her committing suicide, is still a mystery. Compound one is she committed suicide, and the reason of it is still a mystery. This is the end of Rule 32. Viewers, see you in my next video with Rule 33. If you don't understand the video, there is the description of the whole thing of this video, that means of this writing in details in the description box. You can go to the description box and have a clear idea. See you next time. Till then, goodbye.